How much should you really spend on a pair of Asics running shoes? I've seen people drop over $200 and still feel like something's off, while others swear by the budget ones. The truth is, price doesn't always match performance. Let's cut through the noise and find what actually works for real runners. Product number 1, GT 2013 Stability Hero. First up, the men's GT 2013 at $141.18. This shoe caught my eye because it's built for overpronators, runners whose feet roll inward too much. If you've ever felt knee pain or worn out soles on the inner edge, this could be your fix. Plus, over half the upper is recycled material, and the dyeing process cuts water use by a third. Small wins for the planet. Now, some people say the toe box feels snug, especially if you have wider feet. I'll be real, if you're a wide footer, you might need to size up or try them in store first. But for moderate overpronators who want support that's firm but not stiff, this is a solid daily trainer. Skip it if you're a neutral runner looking for max bounce. This isn't built for speed. But if stability and sustainability matter to you, this one's worth every penny. Product number 2, Gel Content 9 Budget Beast. Now, if the GT 2000 felt too structured, the women's Gel Content 9 at just $83.40 takes a totally different approach, lightweight, flexible, and no nonsense. This is for casual runners or gym goers who want cushioning without the price tag. The rear foot gel absorbs shock nicely on short runs, and the jacquard mesh keeps your feet cool even on hot days. But here's the catch. The AMPLIFOAM Plus midsole is softer than premium foams, so it won't last as long on high-mileage runs. Some users report it wearing down after 200 miles. That said, for weekend jogs or cross-training, it's hard to beat this value. This is perfect if you're new to running or need a backup pair. Skip it if you're logging serious weekly miles. You'll want something more durable. Product number 3, Gel Nimbus 27 Cushion King. Alright, that was a budget pick. But if comfort is your one priority, the women's Gel Nimbus 27 at $188.50 is where luxury meets performance. This is a Asics premium neutral shoe, and it shows. The FF Blast Plus Eco Foam has 24% bio-based content and gives a plush, bouncy ride that makes long runs feel easier. The engineered mesh hugs your foot without pressure points, and 75% recycled upper material makes it eco-friendly too. The downside, it's heavy, over 9 ounces per shoe. That extra weight might slow you down if you're training for a race, but if you're logging 30+ miles a week and want maximum comfort, this is worth the splurge. This is ideal for high-mileage neutral runners. Skip it if you're racing or prefer a lighter, faster feel. Product number 4, Gel Keanu 32 Overpronator's Dream. Now, if the GT 2000 was supportive, the women's Gel Keanu 32 at $211.80 is next-level stability. This is for serious overpronators who need serious control. The 4D guidance system adapts to your gait in real time, and the 3D space construction compresses differently across the midsole to match how your foot lands. The knit heel tab makes slipping it on effortless. But honestly, it's overkill if you don't overpronate. Some neutral runners find it too stiff and restrictive, and at over $200, it's a big investment. This is perfect if you've had knee or ankle issues and need maximum correction. Skip it if your gait is neutral. You'll be paying for features you don't need. Product number 5, Men's Gel Content 9 Everyday Value. Finally, the men's Gel Content 9, same price as the women's version at $83.40 and nearly identical features. Rear foot gel, jacquard mesh, ortho light liner, and flex grooves for natural movement. It's simple, reliable, and great for light running or walking. But just like its sister model, the cushioning wears faster than premium shoes. If you're doing 20+ miles a week, you'll notice the drop-off sooner. Still, for under $90, it's one of the best entry-level options Asics offers. This is perfect for beginners, casual runners, or anyone needing a second pair. Skip it if you're training for a marathon or need long-term durability. So which Asics is right for you? The GT 2013 for stable support, the Gel Content 9 for budget-friendly basics, the Gel Nimbus 27 for cloud-like cushioning, the Gel Keanu 32 for serious overpronation, or the men's Content 9 for everyday ease. Price doesn't always mean better. Match the shoe to your run. Drop your favorite below, and if this helped, hit subscribe for more honest gear breakdowns.